Hello everyone, it's Mars, and I want to be talking about HTML5 video elements for CIT 230. But what is HTML5 video? HTML5 video is a new standard video on the web. Up until the late 2000s and early 2010s, multimedia content on the web was for most part placed in web pages by means of third-party plugins or applications. But with HTML5, we don't need those third parties at all. There are three video codecs supported by HTML5. The first one is MP4 that uses .mp4 or .m4v file extension. Also, there is OG Theora that uses .ogg or .ogv extension, and WebM that uses the WebM file extension. What is codecs? Codecs is a computer program that uses compression algorithm to encode and decode the digital stream of data, making it more suitable for a playback. But how to add a video on your web page? Video element is what makes it possible to add a video on your web page. To add a video, you use this markup. You open the tag for video and you put the source and you close the video tag. Remember that video1.ext is the location, name, and the extension of your video file. Here are some video attributes. Source that shows us the URL of the video, autoplay, which makes the video start playing automatically, controls, which adds the browser's default controls, muted, which mutes the video. Remember, that is not supported by any browser. Poster, which puts image files to display when it's loaded, and loop, which makes the video play in the loop. And some more attributes are, same as an image tag, the video tag also allows us to use width and height, and these are measured with pixels. Preload hints the browsers how much video to load. It takes in three different values: none, which doesn't load anything; metadata, that loads only the video's metadata, like length and dimensions; and auto, that lets the browsers decide what to do. Now we're going to learn how to add controls, autoplay, loop, posters, and preload settings. Here are a few examples of the video tags. If you wanted to put autoplay or a loop or a poster in your video, you are opening the video tag by making sure you put the source, and if you're adding a poster, make sure you know where the poster's file and name is at, and make sure you also close the video tag. To prevent preloading, you are using the video tag source and preload equals none. It's that control, and you also close the video tag. There are other preload settings like preload equals auto, that starts downloading the video in anticipation of the user watching it, or preload equals metadata, that asks the browser to retrieve basic information about the video, such as its dimensions, durations, and a few frames of the video. So let's put all these tags that we learned in our bracket, and let's see what how they look like. So first of all, we're going to be using the basic tag on like how to add a video on the HTML page, so it looks on our web page. So we open a video tag and source. In this case, I'm going to be using video1. Video. Alright, so we have the first example, and then we said that if we ever wanted to add controls, we do video and then source equals controls, close tag. If you would want to do autoplay, all we have to do is autoplay controls and close the tag. And to make it autoplay in a loop, we use the same way video source, and we just put autoplay loop. And to see to put a poster on our a page before the video, we use video source. The name of the video source, control poster, and I'm going to be using an image that's in one of my folders, and here it is. Let's see how they all look like. So here are the examples and how they look in the web page. So the first one is just a video. We don't have control on it. The second one, we have the video and we have controls on it. We can control the volume, we can make it wider, we can start playing it, we can stop it, and so many other things. This one, we had the video that autoplays. So if you can see, it starts autoplaying as soon as we open the page. And this other one was autoplaying a loop. And as you can see, we have no controls on it, and it just continues to autoplay in a loop. And the last one is with the poster. So if we can see here, here's a picture that I put as my poster picture, and then if we press on it, the video starts. So yeah.